To you watching this video right now, I say thank you for clicking on this video, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do also click on the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any video I will upload. And in this video today, I am going to take you through how I create my beaded bag handles, the straps. So this video is actually because someone commented on one of my videos wanting to know how I create my straps. Without wasting your time, let's get straight into what this video is about. So there are many ways to create the strap handles, but this very method is my favorite, and I like it because it looks a bit different when you have it on the bag. It blends so well and it secures the bag as well. If you want to know how I make my bags, I have videos and I'll be leaving the links in the description box below. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. So to begin with, you need your hooks, that's the hooks for the bag, and your beads. So I actually got these hooks from an old bag. I didn't have some at home, so I took this from a very old bag, and you can do that to save cost. If you have any old bag that has the hooks and the hooks looks good, you can go ahead and use it. And also fishing line, so you cut a reasonable amount of fishing line, and I start with 6 beads and also 1 hook. So I thread the 6 bead on the fishing line and then the hook. The hooks comes in different sizes and in styles, and sometimes the loopy hole on the hook may look small, some may look very large. So depending on the size of the loop, I have a way of going around it to fix the beads through, and I am good to go. So with this very hook, the loop is very large, like it's big, so the beads are able to pass through, and so this is much easier. I just went ahead, thread the bead and the hook, and then I just go ahead and secure a knot. So I go ahead and I tie a knot to secure it, then I just go ahead and start threading my beads. But in cases where the loopy area or the loop of the hook is very small, I try to blend with smaller beads of the same color so it doesn't look odd. So if you should check carefully on the bags that I've done previously, you see that the style I use from the beginning of the hook is not the same as what I'm doing right now. So it all depends on the size of the loop on the bag. I hope you understand this. Yeah. Okay, so now I have my first 6, that is my base, and my loop is secured. I now go ahead to thread 5 beads. So the base is 6, the remaining is going to be 5 until I get to the end. So all I'm going to do is I thread 2 on one side, 2 on the other side, and I cross with 1. I thread 2 on right, 2 on my left, and I cross with 1. It's very simple and it's very easy to do this. So yep, keep watching and let me know what you think about this video. You can leave a comment and I'll reply. So this is basically the steps I take in creating my strap handles for my beaded bags. Keep doing this. You thread 2 on right, 2 on left, so you cross with 1. You keep doing that until you get your desired length or your required length, your required length as you want it to be. Then on the very last one, just like I began, I end it the same way, but I'll be ending with 5 beads. I started with 6 beads, but I'll be ending with 5 because I assume I already have one at the base. That's how it looks like. So at the last end, I just go ahead and thread 2 on my left, 2 on my right. I go on with the hook. I go in with the hook, and then finally I end it with the last bead. So when I thread the last bead, you can thread it on any of the side of the thread. So it looks like I crossed it, but after crossing I realized no, I would have to rather tie my knots. So I went ahead, pulled the fishing line back again, and then I tied my knots. So a gentle reminder once again, do not cut your knots at the exact place where you tied your knots. Always pass the excess fishing line through the beads. You can pass it through the beads as many times as you want before you cut your knot. When you do this, your knot becomes invisible and your work becomes very neat. Like I always say, it's okay to make mistakes, because when we make mistakes, we learn and we become better. So if you are doing it and you make a mistake, don't be too hard on yourself. Just start all over again, and if there's a way you can fix it without starting all over again, just go ahead and do it. Yep, even the masters make mistakes. Okay, so our strap handle is ready, and this is what I have at the end. This is how it should look like, and I'll go ahead and fix it on my bag. Okay, so once again I want to say thank you so much for staying through till the end of this video. I really appreciate your support. Go ahead and click the subscription button and join the Miss Nice family. See you in my next video. Until then, do take good care of yourself and be safe. Bye for now.